good or bad things about the wildebeest, they never raise the babies which are not belonging to them. It's not like lion in a family that the cubs they can get the milk from any other female that they do the same thing. So for lions, if mama dies, the other mama will feed the cubs. But wildebeest and the rest of, I think also they do this, the chimpanzee and bonobos, even baboons, they don't really taking babies of, if the babies are not belonging to themselves. Yeah. You see, like, wherever you see the babies, they have to run close to their mama as much as they can. They get the smell of the mama. They will never be accepted with other females if they are not their same mama.